Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Sharon. I'm a plant enthusiast in Melbourne, Australia, and this is a channel for plant parents where I share my tricks, tips and knowledge that I've gained over the years, so hopefully everyone who's watching can do a little better in their houseplants. But sometimes we go right off script, and this video is going to be one of those. Because, ladies and gentlemen, I have here my beautiful Thai constellation, Monstera Thai constellation. And on the weekend, I entered her into a show. I also took a couple of other plants with me. And this video today is a video of the show. So if you'd like to come on along with me to explore the winter show where I took my camera along, stick around. Almost all of the plants are in the car. One more to go. The problem is I can't fit it in the back because of the height of the pole. So, you know, she's gonna go, but she's a bit squishy. Well, we better get moving, eh? Oh my God, every bump in the road makes you feel like at any moment these plants are gonna fall over, leaves are gonna rip, and I'm driving as if I'm driving with a mountain full of eggs. And we're here, ready to go in. So now we're here at the Orchid winter show. We're going to go around and have a look at the displays, and particularly I'm going to be showing who won a couple of the major prizes. And so let's take a look at some of the tables. So right here is our best bromeliad, and this one won Reserve Champion for the show. So that's basically runner-up for the whole show. Of course, there's some beautiful Masdevallias and Dendrobiums here. More Masdevallias. A gorgeous Phylogeny just up here. And Cymbidiums. On our next table, it's Masdevallia Central. Fabulous person called Rita puts this table together. What a wonderful looking table she actually provides. Check out the Phragmipedium, Sorcerer's Apprentice. Isn't that gorgeous? Moving right along, we've got one of my favourites, a Dendrobium speciosum. Beautiful specimen here. Look at those spidery flowers. It's actually a small showing, that one. This is a display by a man named Glenn. Everyone's falling in love with this encyclia here. I've seen a lot of people say that they would like a snip of that plant. Beautiful Paphiopedalum. And let's move on to our next table. Fabulous plants. And while you're here, if you're enjoying this content, if you consider giving the video a like, it really does help with the algorithm. Consider subscribing to the channel if you'd like to see more content like this. And now, back to the video. Move through to the foliage plants here. And look at this Thai Monstera. I wonder who owns that. Ooh. Let's see what I won. I won Best Foliage Plant. Yep, my beautiful Thai constellation took out a relatively major award. Best Foliage Plant. Got a couple of others. It's my Philodendron militae. Who won? Who actually won? This is the plant that actually won Best Indoor Plant. The Grand Champion of Indoor Plants. It's a beautiful specimen, that one. Gorgeous Oxalis triangularis. Lots of bromeliads. Everyone loves the bromeliads around here. And moving through here, we've got a number of lovely looking plants. This is another one of mine. This is my Dendrobium Averil's Gold copper pot. Managed to get a first. Very exciting. Next to a very, very, very tall Bergonia. We've got over here our reserve champion, which is a gorgeous Zygopetalum. So that one managed to get reserve champion and champion of any other genre. Gorgeous. Who wouldn't love that being in spike? And now we're moving over to our flower displays. This is a separate category at this orchid show. Gorgeous arrangement. And what we're going to do is we're going to finish on the grand champion of the show. The grand champion of the show is a very large Paphiopedalum. This one is the villosum, Paphiopedalum villosum. How many flowers is that? That's just insane. And further, it's in a squat pot, which is, let's see if we can see this squat pot. Check that out. That is really unusual. Not often that I would expect to see a Paphiopedalum like that in a very small, shallow pot. But it seems to be working here. This is our grand champion. And well deserved as well. So yeah, what do you know? Best foliage plant. I have to admit, I'm very proud of this. I love my girl to death. She is my pretty one. She's very much a show-off. I mean, let's be honest. Why wouldn't you want to be a show-off with these beautiful leaves? But yeah, I can't say that I'm unhappy with the results. So I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you so much for coming along with me today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.